A ni jyst moyn aros yn y gêm, cadw o fewn un neu ddau o goliau, a ni'n gwybod bod ni gallu brifo nhw falle yn hwyrach yn y gêm, a dyna beth oedd y gêm plan heno. O'n i'n meddwl pob un chwaraewr oedd wedi wario heno, pawb oedd yn cefnogi off y fainc, pawb oedd wedi dod ymlaen, wedi gwneud eu jobs, a fel reolwr dros y clwb, o'n hynod falch.
Craig, your team dominated possession for 85 minutes there. How did the New Saints contrive to lose that game?
Yeah, through not defending the box. That's it. You know, that's the top and bottom of it. You know, the ball that's come in off the second phase of a corner, someone has not done their job and marked a man who specifically was supposed to before the game. Clear, precise information. Second phase has not done his job on the second phase, so really disappointed with that one. Yeah, and a good bit of play by Payne, but a little bit of poor defending as well. You know, he's created a good space, played a 1-2, and we haven't stayed with our man again defensively wise, and we're just a little bit sloppy the last 5-10 minutes. Maybe do we think it's already won? Do we think we're already through? You know, that's disappointing from that point of view, and yeah, really bitterly disappointed, and here we are.
Well, I've got a good record against TNS now. I've got 3 goals in 4 games against them, so yeah, just loving playing really and getting goals, yeah.
Talk us through that all-important equaliser. It was a class goal.
Yeah, it was really good. I've held it up, I've given it to Sam Jones out on the left, and he's played me back in. And I've taken on one of their players, can't remember who, and I just saw Ryan Reynolds in there, and I know he's great for a 1-2. 1-2, he's given it back to me, 1-on-1 with the keeper, just slotted it through his legs. So honestly, it was a great feeling to score.
At that time, would you have settled for penalties?
No, to be honest with you, I felt that we dominated the second half completely. We felt the momentum really shifted second half, and we felt the winner coming, to be honest with you. So we were ready to go get the winner, which is what we done.
I do think we had a Stonewall penalty where the referee's got it miles wrong by booking Danny Davis, and I don't know how he can do it. He's guessed. He's 100% guessed. The referee's guessed, and he can't guess. So he might not have thought it was a penalty, but you can't say it was a dive. I've seen it back, and it's not only is it not a dive, it's a penalty. So yeah, that's by the by. You get them, you don't get them. Maybe the way it's gone, I'm not too sure. Last week against Cardiff, it was a penalty. So the ups and downs and peaks and troughs, you get some, you don't get them. So I can't complain overly. I'm just really disappointed that the last 5-10 minutes of the game that we couldn't just defend and see the game out, because there wasn't an awful lot of pressure on us. It was a couple of set plays that we haven't dealt with.
Mae'r fuddigoliaeth yma, Ryan, siŵr di roi pleser enfawr i'r clwb.
Wrth gwrs, gaethon ni cyfnod bach anodd yn ystod mis Medi, lle o'n ni'n stryglo i pigo lan pwyntiau yn y cyngred, bod ni wedi warin dda cyn hynny, ac i droi y gwmpas fel wnaethon ni. Mae boys i roi real shift i fewn i sicrhau bod hynny'n digwydd, cadw boys ar y cae chwarae, y tîm off y cae hefyd, ac just dod nôl yn gryf, ni just yn mynd nôl i pethau bach syml, ac mae wedi gweithio mas i ni, ac i curo'r Seintiau dwywaith yn olynol, 2 gêm yn olynol i ni. Mae hwnna'n rhywbeth bach sbesial i gofio hefyd.
There won't be a domestic treble for the New Saints this year. That must hurt.
Massively. You don't understand, how much it hurts me. And I'm sure it hurts the players as well. But yeah, it's bitterly disappointing. But we'll dust ourselves down. We'll get on with it. We've got a big game next week against Caerdydd, and then after that we've got a League Cup semi-final. So yeah, it's something that we need to move on from quickly, but we need to learn from quickly as well.